Sneezes aren't random explosions. They follow physics from the diaphragm's push to propel air through the nose, creating a whipped jet. Researchers found that sneezes project droplets up to 6 feet, crafting a spray pattern shaped by facial muscles and air pressure. An amusing detail is that the word achoo likely imitates the sound across languages, highlighting how biology meets culture. During flu season, early public health trials showed that open windows and cross breezes reduced transmission. So when you sneeze, think of a tiny meteorology lesson in action guiding health and daily habits.